Hey everyone, this is Yash. In this video, I'm going to show you another feature of the assistant coach platform that I've been working on. This one is one of the major pain points of the coaches I've talked to, like having your own website and a single consolidated way to manage the incoming leads and prospects, and then to be able to kind of having your own customization around how much information you want to collect from a prospect, and then seeing everything at a single place. Um, so this is something that, like, a lot of coaches that I've talked to until now, they have this problem where creating their own website is not a simple trivial task, especially if you are not a technical one. Um, you have to kind of think about, okay, this is how my website is going to look like. This is what it should be called, and this would be my lead form. And then even then, people reaching out to you, like all the leads you would have at separate places, and then you have to manage notes per lead, um, and then reaching out to them, all of this, and then you have a separate booking system as well. So all of this takes a lot of time and effort for a coach, and being a coach myself, I get that part. So on the platform that I'm working, that's called Assistant Coach, to justify the name and actually to help you with a lot of this admin stuff, I've added this feature where in just like under 5 minutes, we'll go through that in this video. You can publish your own website, which would clearly, like, would have your unique URL, your unique address on the internet, where you can have your brand name, your profile picture, and then what do you specialize in, what certifications do you have, what are the clients that you are targeting, and then you could have your social links linked there as well, and then your booking link there as well, and also an option to decide what information do you want to collect from a person who wants to reach out to you. So I'll quickly jump to it. So this is how you land on the platform. This is the home page, which it shows you um, what are your to-do items for today or for this week, so that you don't lose a track of them. That's your brand name. Now, if you go to this left navigation bar, you have this option which says your website. So when I click on this, it opens up some settings or some values that you can override to publish your own coaching page. It would have your unique address. So for myself, for example, my brand name is YG Coaching, and this is the picture that I want to use. And this is where I choose my website address. So if I choose YG here, the address that I'll get is yg.coachpage.fit. So the second and third part are fixed. So that's how you get it in less than a minute. And the first part is uniquely yours. Nobody else can claim that. That's the guarantee of the platform. Um, and then yeah, you can, the next things that you have to choose is, okay, what's your tagline as a coach, and then the bio field allows you to kind of write a bit more about um, what's your training style, what kind type of clients you want to take, and what's your coaching process. All of that, you can write anything here, and and then you can list out what's your specialties, what are your certifications, um, and then you can have your social links here as well. So because the purpose of this is have a unique URL which you can put it everywhere, and then if someone visiting that URL, they should be able to visit your other internet presence as well, your other social media handles as well. uh, so that's like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, or your booking URL. And if you have a second website, you can put that as well. So for me, that's true, like I have a second website as well. uh, and then you can have an inquiry form as well. So I have a custom form here, but even if you don't have a custom form, you can still publish your website and it will still have some basic contact information. So let's say I select the contact fields only option here. Now, this is all you need to do. There's nothing else you need to do to publish your website. So I do save here. And then if I click on this to go to my page, you can see it navigates to this URL, yg.coachpage.fit. That's your unique URL. And you can see your brand name, your tagline, the link that you have provided to book a call, and then this is the bio that we entered, and your specialties, the certifications, and your social links. And this is the contact form I was talking about. So by default, anyone who wants to reach out to you, this website will collect their name, email, and phone number. And so that's the basics. So you at least know how to get back to them. But some coaches definitely want to collect more information from their leads. So what I provide is You can have your custom intake form. So my platform allows you to create as many forms as you want and do whatever you want with them. Like you could have custom forms for different clients, you can have different check-in forms per client, all of that. So in that, you can have a dedicated leads form where you can collect any information that you want. So if I select this and then I save it and then I just refresh my page, now you can see the additional questions that I want to ask my leads, which is, okay, how do you train right now? What are you hoping to achieve? Anything else you would like me to know? Because that's an important information to me. So that's how uh, you can publish website with all of this information. And all of this takes like maybe less than 5 minutes. And you have your, and then you can put put your website anywhere on the internet and people can reach it. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any design skills, anything. Uh, and also, even if so this feature is available in the free tier of my platform. So even if you're not using my website, my platform for your client management or any other coaching needs, you can just sign up and still use this feature to publish your own website. You don't need to use any other feature. You don't need to pay to use this feature. So uh, because I want it to be as helpful to coaches as possible. Now, you publish a website and let's say people are reaching out to you. So what do you actually see when somebody reaches out to you? So we have a dedicated leads view. We have a dedicated leads view here. On the left bar itself, you see this leads section. And when I go there, it tells me, okay, shows me how many website visits did I have in last 30 days, how many website inquiries do I have. And if you click on view trend here, it actually shows me that, okay, it shows me the website visits per date. So like today I had 4 visits, and then on 10th June I had 6 visits, and then there were no visits between 10th June and um, 23rd May. Whatever may be the reason, that's a separate thing. But yeah, and then if I click on the website inquiries where they came from, it actually tells you where your inquiries are coming from. So direct means like somebody is directly clicking on your link. So it might be someone to whom you sent this your website link on WhatsApp or in a DM, like they didn't open it through some other channel. And then Instagram means like maybe you put the link in your Instagram bio and then they open it from there. Google is of course a pretty lucky one. Somebody was actually searching for a coach near them on Google, and then your page came up there. And that can very well happen, by the way. All the website that you're publishing here, it's actually reachable through Google and other AI engines as well. So you get a discovery mechanism from there as well. You don't need to do anything extra. I take care of submitting all of the websites to Google and other AI websites like ChatGPT and Claude, so that they are indexed in those companies' databases. And of course, if somebody is searching for a coach and your website has good enough authority, by authority I mean like it has been there for some time, then it's possible like it might surface there. Uh, so yeah, your website inquiries would clearly tell you, okay, where your inquiries are coming from, so that you know where to invest your time and effort, and where actually which area needs more of your time and effort. Um, and then the view trend actually tells you, like, if you, let's say if you published a new Instagram reel, then you can correlate with the number of views that you got to your website after you published that reel, just to see like if that reel was successful or not. Okay, now moving forward, then these are all the leads that I have gotten. So this is test data. These are not my real leads. Because of privacy reasons, I can't show the real data here, but this is something that I've just made up for this demo. But this is how it will show you on your side as well, on your account. So it clearly shows that, okay, you have one unread lead, you have 2 new leads, you have one lead that you have contacted already, one is a qualified one, and then one is closed a dead lead. And then let's say if I open one of the leads, so it actually tells me whatever information they provided when they wanted to contact you, their email, their phone number, how are they training right now. So these are the form responses to the questions that we had added, if you remember. So how are they training right now? What are they hoping to achieve when they sign up with you? And anything else like they would like you to know. So and you have an option to save private notes per lead here, and they will stay there like indefinitely. Then you can refer back to them whenever you want. And of course, it also shows you, okay, what's the source of this lead? Was it direct, or did it come from Google or Instagram? Uh, so this is one lead. If we go to another lead, Jake, you again have all that information. It shows that it came from Google. Uh, and then, so that's how you can kind of go through all your leads. So you publish your website, then you have a single place where you can see, okay, how many people are visiting your website, then who all have reached out to you, and all of their information when they filled out the form to reach out to you. Everything is available in the feature. Uh, and then let's say you actually talk to the person and they actually want to start coaching with you. Now it's just a one click uh, move where you just add them as a client, and you already have the information, which is the name and email. I'm not going to proceed with here because it's not my real client, but yeah, when you add the client here, they would be automatically assigned your intake form. So you can, uh, this is the next step, that actually when you're adding a new client on the system, it actually asks you, okay, do you want the intake form to be assigned to them, or are they already an active client, in which case they can access your weekly check-ins and you can create programs from them and all of that. So you can choose one of that, and then yeah, that's basically done. Then the entire life cycle from a lead reaching out to you to them being converted as your client is finishes there. I'm going to skip for now because this is test data. uh, but yeah, so this is how you can use this feature. You have leads here on the top on the left side, and you have your own website published, and you can edit anything on your website here on the left side. um, I hope this is helpful. I would reiterate again that you don't need to manage your coaching business on my platform to use this feature. You don't need to pay anything to use this feature. Even if you are using some other platform to manage your clients, you can still use this feature. You can still publish your website. You can still get all the leads and everything. So, yep, I hope this is helpful. Do let me know in the comments if you would like to see more features around this, or if there are any other pain point that you would like to be addressed on this platform. Thank you. Thank you.